Using the domain of 0 degrees to 360, now this means it does not include 0, but it does include 360. So on our unit circle, if the answer is 360 or 0, we're going to use 360. What we're saying is on the unit circle, right here we know that's 0 degrees or 360. They're saying, hey, call it 360 instead of 0, because we're going to start this guy just a touch after 0 and finish it right here at 360. We include 360 but not 0. So when we get this, we're going to make sure that we start right after it, like 1 degree all the way to finish at 360. So it says solve. 2 times sine of x is equal to 1. Well, I want to get sine of x isolated by itself. So I divide by 2, divide by 2. All we're looking for now is when does the sine of x have a value of a half? Now remember, these ordered pairs, it's cosine of theta, sine of theta. The first value is your cosine, the second is your sine. So if I come right here, I know I've come over 1 and gone up none. That means the cosine value at 0 degrees or 360 is 1, and the sine value is 0. We're looking for when it's a half. Well, that's going to occur right here at 30 degrees, because at 30 degrees, that ordered pair is root 3 over 2, a half. There's the sine value. Second value is your sine. So it occurs at 30. Where else do we have that height of a half? We're also going to have a height of a half right over here at 150 degrees. Because at 150, this is over negative root 3 over 2. The height is still a half, and there's your sine of a half. So this happens when x is 30 degrees or 150. Technically, it's an or right here. I don't care if you put a comma. I can live with it. Technically, it's or, but it's okay. We can just put a comma. It's because 2 times the sine of 30 degrees will give you 1, and also 2 times the sine of 150 degrees will equal 1. There is our solution.